Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin CA. In this video I'm going to show us how to stake your coin while the market is in the dip. So let's say for instance you bought, you can see the market is retracing, but let's check out this. Let's say for instance BTC, you can see the chart that the market is in the dip. This is 1 day chart. So let's say for instance you bought this, or let's use Shiba because the example I'm going to use is Shiba. Click Shiba USDT. Okay, you can see the market is in the dip. So let's assume you bought Shiba at this point 0.0003, and up to this moment Shiba is still at 0.002045. And instead of just keeping or waiting for Shiba to retrace back, there is a way you can do it. You see the earning while the Shiba is still at the bottom, while waiting for Shiba to retrace back to where you bought, and probably increase more than where you bought, so that you'll be on profit. So the simple strategy to use is called Binance Earn or staking. So how do you get there? You come to home, scroll up, you see more. You can go through more and services. You can see staking, Earn, or you just simply click on Earn. Under Earn you see savings, you see lock, staking and all that. So you can compare the two. Now we're going to compare the savings and the lock, staking. So in this service give you flexible, unlock and auto invest. So let's say for instance we want to check out SHIB at flexible point. Come here, SHIB. You can see the APY and trend of SHIB is 0.1. So every day you get 0.5 SHIB. So which is very small. So let's check out the lock. SHIB doesn't have lock. Auto invest, we're not going to auto invest, so it doesn't have lock. And in flexible it only give you 0.5, which is too small. So we'll go back and click on more. Under more, just click on staking. So let's see what SHIB is going to give us on the staking. So just search for SHIB. You see the other ones here. The other ones, let me show you some other coin that you can leverage on staking. So these are available. I'm sorting by the highest APY, the one that has the highest percentage. So you can see on the list now, the highest is AXS. As in 30 days you have 75.28% on your staking. If you stake for 60 days you have 89.26. If you stake for 90 days you have 120.69. So also with FIO, BSW, MC, just on and on. You can see Cake, a good one too. Pancake Swap, this is an official coin of Pancake Swap, so it's also a good one you want to buy. So this is it. This is a DeFi staking, but this has a high risk. So if you are ready to take more risk, you can explore DeFi staking. So I'm going to do a video, a complete course on everything that involves staking, earning and all that. Though I have an introductory course already, which if you are ready or you are interested in having that course, just drop a comment on the comment box that I am ready or I'm interested in your introductory course. Then I will tell you what to do to get the course. So I'm also doing the advanced course on staking, earning and every other ways in which you can earn in crypto space. So that is it. So before I proceed, those that are not subscribed to my channel, if you are new to my channel, please do me free to subscribe so that I get notified each time I upload fresh content. So guys, what we're going to do now, I have my SHIB on Okay, let's search for SHIB and compare. You can see SHIB has 30 days 0.52, 60 days 1.12, and 90 days 1.2, 10 days 10 points. So 120 days 12%. So which is better? 120 days should be okay. So I'm going to choose 120 days because I wish I knew I would have even staked my coin, my SHIB for 120 days. But I went ahead and staked it for on the saving side, which is giving me a little APY. So I'm going to remove it now. So the advantage of the saving is that I can pull out anytime. So but this one you have to wait for the 120 days, or you lose some certain amount if you wish to pull it before the contract expiration date. So that is just the disadvantage of this. If you wish to sell before the contract date, you lose some certain amount, but in savings you can pull out any day. So we'll go back to N. So let me unstake my SHIB, go to savings, set my SHIB. Okay, I think let me go home, go to wallet, under N. You can see my SHIB. Cumulative interest is 2,318 SHIB. So this is what a number of SHIB I've accumulated. So but I want to stake it. I want to remove it from flexible savings to lock staking, because I don't intend using this SHIB for now. So click on it and I will click redeem. Fast redemption. If you click on fast redemption, immediately it will return to your main spot wallet. But if you click on standard redemption, this redemption will take 24 hours before it drops. So we're not going to do that. So click on fast redemption, click on mass, click I have agreed, I've read and agreed to the Binance savings agreement, and click on confirm. I'm redeeming all because I want to stake it. You can see redemption confirmed. You can go to wallet, you can view history, you can see the time, application submitted, waiting to be processed, estimated time, so it's waiting to be processed. So let's go to wallet and see if it has reflected. Okay, it has reflected. Let's go to spot and see. Can see my SHIB 528,492.70 as reflected on my account. So what I'm going to simply do now, I'll come back to home, click on more, go to staking, then I'll search for SHIB. So I'm going to stake my SHIB for 120 days. I don't want to use it now. I click on stake now. How many SHIB do I want to stake? The maximum I can stake is 7 million SHIB, and the minimum is 200 SHIB. Lock amount limit. So once I click on it, you see all these details. Estimated APY 12%, 12.09%. Estimated interest. So my interest for the 1 year period will show here. For my 120 days will show there. Click on max. So now at the end of this contract, I'll be having 21,006.31 SHIB. Okay, let's assume. Okay, so I'll just click on. This is also a good one. It's a good one. So I just click on what I agree. So you can see stake date today being 5th, value date 5th. So it will start yielding from 5th. Okay, value date 5th. Then interest period 1 day. So every day the interest drops for the next 120 days. Interest period 1 and interest end date. So it's going to end August, 2nd of August 2022. No, September, sorry. 2nd of September 2022. Which is okay. Redemption period day, redemption date. So I will redeem it a day after the contract ends. So that is it. I just click on confirm if I'm okay with it. Click confirm. It's a stake successfully. You can see it started this day. The redemption is September 3rd. So I click on go to staking. You can go to staking or wallet to see if you want to stake more. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload fresh content, and share this video with your friends. This strategy also works for those that are traded on Binance or any other trading platform that accepts savings and staking, like RoyalQ and KuCoin and the rest of them. So for those that have not signed up with Binance, I'm going to drop the link to Binance, RoyalQ and KuCoin so that you can sign up your account and start earning even while the coin you bought is in the dip. So for those that use RoyalQ or that have not started using RoyalQ, I'm going to drop the link to RoyalQ and also the video I made on the strategy I'm using on RoyalQ. So it also works for those that use RoyalQ. So I'm going to also do a video soon for those that are using RoyalQ and they are still on the dip, how they were able to stake their coin. I've been making little profit from their flexible savings before the coin retraces and be in profits, and they will sell in profit. So guys, thank you for watching.